Aloha from the breathtaking Hawaiian island of Oahu. You've seen poke bowls everywhere, but most people get one key thing wrong. Today, we are revealing how to prep your ahi tuna in the right way so that it's safe and mouth-watering fresh. So let's dive into this, okay? I have some sticky rice that I've made. And I pre-cut everything because I just wanted to make it simple. And we're just gonna start with, this. How's that? So on here, on this plate of beautiful color, I have edamame beans, carrot, and green onion, and cilantro, and seaweed, and I have mango and papaya and avocado. It's just a plethora of yummy. Okay, let's do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, it's a sriracha mayo. We're going to give this a little squirt like this. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of sesame seed, toasted of course, and mix that on top. Is that not beautiful or what? Oh my gosh, this looks so amazing. This is fresh. It's clean. It's a little bit nutty. Well, just like me. So that's why I liken myself to this. And that's how we like our poke. From my Hawaiian kitchen to yours. Stay saucy. And can't forget this. Cheers.